Hi everyone, welcome to Virtual Job Shadow. Yes, we're going to be working back in this program a lot more. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to go up here in the top right corner and click on My Plan. You're not going to click here and download your plan because we haven't done it yet. We're just starting. If you look on the side here, you'll see the different parts of the plan: completing an interest assessment, adding favorites to my careers, adding a school to my careers, completing a career journal, adding a short-term goal, which you have already done or should have back in week 2, adding a long-term goal, completing a post-secondary plan, and completing a professional resume. So today we are going to focus on adding careers to your plan. Again, you've already done the short-term goal. It should be in there. If it is not academic related or career related, you might want to change that, because the whole focus of this plan is to prepare you for life after high school. So it should focus around a career that you have in mind. So if you don't have a career-based short-term goal, please go ahead and change that from week 2. You don't need to resubmit your assignment in Schoology. You've already gotten points for that. But we want to have your plan complete when we get to the end of this project. So we're calling this part 1. Short-term goal is not included in the project, but it's already completed. The first part 1 of this long-term project is going to be finding careers of your choice. So you can either click on it over here on the right-hand side, or you can scroll down and you'll see that those same things are also listed here. And click on Start Now to add my favorite careers. Now, how do I know what my favorite careers are? Well, good question. You can search either by cluster, and you'll see on the sides here, it gives you an indication of the different types of job clusters there are. From agricultural to transportation. You can search by education if you want a high school diploma, apprenticeship, license, certification, 2-year degree, 4-year degree, or longer, 6 or 8-year degrees. You can search by industry, or you can search by interest: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, or conventional. One of the things you haven't done yet is taken a separate interest survey. So maybe I'll have you do that next week so you can go back and tweak your plan a little bit as needed. I'm going to start out over here in clusters, and then what you want to do is go over here to the search engine and choose one that is from your career scope assessment. You'll remember we talked about this in live class on Tuesday. So use that as your guide to search for careers, because the career scope assessment that you took takes your interests and your aptitude and matches them together with careers that would be most likely something that you would be interested in doing. So those are the careers you should focus on searching. This is not going to be a one and done deal, okay? As you start to research, you're going to probably find some that you don't like, and then you'll probably find some that surprised you. You didn't think you would like, but you do like. So what I want you to do is, once you find a career, and I'm just going to click on this without watching it, but I really want you to watch it, add to my careers. So if you click on the heart, it gets added to your careers. So for this assignment, I want you to choose 3. After looking at a bunch, go through your career scope assessment, maybe highlight ones that you want to look at, and then number your top 3 choices. And those are the ones I want you to search this week. So we're going to start off with this plan with just your top 3. But Obviously, you could choose more. So I'm going to click 3 here, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like. Zoologist sounds fun. Okay. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and click on My Careers, and you'll see that these are saved in My Careers. Not only are they saved here, but they automatically get put into your plan. So if you were to download your PDF today, you should see short-term goals here. You should also see your top careers. Ah, it didn't work. Well, I'm glad I did this with you, because now I know. I can go back and find why that didn't work. Because it says I've completed it here. Maybe it won't add anything in until we're all the way at the end. And look, a check mark appeared over here that I've added my favorite careers. So I'm going to research that, but you go ahead and do it, because I'm pretty sure that I could pull this report for you and it'll be there as a teacher. You might not be able to see it right away, but if I pull your report, I'll probably be able to see the careers that you've chosen. But it's not just a matter of choosing those careers. You definitely want to watch the videos that go along with them. So if I go back to my favorites, I want to make sure that I at least watch the initial video, and then if I really am interested in more, then I would watch the rest of the videos. That's going to come in a couple of weeks, right around Christmas break, or sorry, winter break. Spring break. Oh my gosh. I'll get it together. The snow threw me off on Friday. Here we are in March with snowstorms. But anyway, you're going to use those additional videos to find out more about your careers and create a career research project. So that's important. So make sure that you pick your top 3, and then eventually you'll have to look through the other videos. But for this initial one, definitely want you to watch the primary video, because it might change. Who knows? You might watch the video and go, you know, I don't think I want that. I'll take it off your favorite list and go back and look at another one. Okay? This is going to take you some time. I don't expect this to happen in 10 or 15 minutes. It might take you an hour today, an hour another day, before you narrow it down to your top 3. But there you are. My plan, add a favorite to my careers, and then I will go in and pull the report. Please go back and answer the questions beneath this video so you can earn credit. And have a great day.